now.
Yeah, nothing like that.
Well, that's good.
I mean,
I think my house would flood. My lawn is so parched.
Seriously, yeah, nothing will go into the ground right now. Yeah, it's very difficult to squeeze much quantity out of it. It's hard to get any raindrops out of the atmosphere at all this time of the year.
Yeah.
So, yeah, but Saturday morning looks like a decent chance. We have a few showers around. Quantities are going to be less than a tenth of an inch, probably a few hundred.
But I'll take a little light clean.
Yeah, it'll
Just
be
wash
good.
my car a little.
It'll be good, and it also will bring in some cooler air from off the Pacific.
That would be nice.
So, yes, we'll talk more about that in a second. Shorter term, we're looking back, the history, you know, it's down memory lane, down the weather memory lane. Yesterday, we hit 92 out at SeaTac, so we're now ahead. We have 4 days of above normal high temperatures against 3 so far below. And actually, looking back through all the way through July, at this point, we've had 28 days of above normal high temperatures and only 8 below. So definitely a warm summer so far. In fact, on track to be well, at least second place for that. If we look at the number of 90-degree days in June, July, and August, meteorological summer, we're going to be looking. 2015 continues to be in the lead. That was the year where we had the warm blob off the coast. 1958 is in second place, but we're only one behind it, and we're probably going to have 2 more 90-degree days right now, so good chance we're going to get up into second place with this. We continue to see a pretty warm summer around the area, and also a hazy one. We continue to see that smoke haze out there, but again, we're in pretty good shape. Most of the air quality sensors are showing good air quality. There's a few that have become moderate, but that's not unusual for that to happen as we get into the afternoon hours and get a little bit more mixing going on. And might see it go downhill a little bit as we go into tomorrow, the air quality, that is, but it looks like a big shot of some fresh, clean air coming in off the Pacific as we head towards Friday and especially Saturday. So take a look at the warnings and advisories and watches right now. Red flag warning out for the west slopes of the Cascades for a critical fire hazard. Very easy for fires to start and spread rapidly. East of the Cascades, they have a fire weather watch, but they also have an excessive heat warning for essentially almost all of eastern Washington. It's going to be 107 degrees today in the Tri-Cities and 109 tomorrow. So see why they have that warning out. That'll go through at least Thursday afternoon. It could extend into Friday potentially, when they are going to get some gusty winds over there while it's still pretty hot, which is not going to be good for the fire situation. Checking Shorecrest High School and Shoreline, that hazy sunshine definitely out there. And you can see down in Olympia looking about the same, kind of smoky haze showing up there. Temperatures right now already have really heated up. In fact, Belfair and McCleary checking in at 91 degrees. That's really, that's about 5 to 6 degrees warmer than those have been at noontime recently, and just turning into a hot day. Probably pick up a degree or two on that 92 we saw at SeaTac yesterday, for that matter. Checking the University of Washington model. The good news is we do continue to get those onshore winds, basically kind of out of the northwest. We get that flow down the strait, it turns northerly at the surface, and that's helping to bring some cleaner air in here at the surface. That's one of the reasons our air quality has stayed pretty good, even though we've had this extended period of that smoke coming up from California and Oregon. That's been mostly at the higher elevations. You can see as we go into tonight, we'll get a little teeny push of marine air. That'll help to keep temperatures from getting too hot tomorrow. But then as we head towards Friday morning, our onshore winds are really going to start to increase. We'll look for the clouds to burn back briefly, but then the system's going to be moving in later Friday, bringing us some showers as we head towards early on Saturday. So overall, sunny and hot today and tomorrow. Highs in the upper 80s and low to mid 90s. We'll see partly sunny skies on Friday. Temperatures only getting up to around 80 degrees. And then as we head into Friday night and then into Saturday, and that's going to be Friday night probably after the concert on Friday night. We're going to see those showers move in, and then into Saturday morning. Temperatures on Saturday only get into the low to mid 70s with clearing in the afternoon. And then Sunday on through at least the first half of next week, we rebound with sunshine, but at least at this point, looks like our high should only be in the low to mid 80s. So it'll be sunny, but only warm for a change rather than hot.
Wow, I like that.
To look forward to.
Only warm.
Only warm. I've forgotten what that is. It's funny that it's cooling back to 80.
It's cool. It's cooling back to 80.
2 months ago, it's too hot when it's 80, but happy to see it now.
Yeah, we sure are. Oh my goodness, it'll be a great weekend. Thank you, Rich.